Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your target affiliate links tracking, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin updating your target affiliate links tracking, log in to your affiliate dashboard. Navigate to the section where your current affiliate links are listed. Identify the links that need to be updated. Copy the old affiliate link that requires tracking updates. Visit the target affiliate website and log in to your account. Locate the link generator tool on the platform. Paste your copied old link into the appropriate field. Select the relevant product or category you want to promote. Customize your link settings as needed, including any required parameters. Generate the new affiliate link. Once the new link is created, copy it to your clipboard. Return to your original list of affiliate links in the dashboard. Replace the old link with the newly generated link. Make sure the updated link functions correctly by clicking on it. Test the link to confirm that it directs to the intended target product page. Save all changes made to ensure the new links are properly recorded. Consider updating any marketing materials where the old links were used. Monitor your affiliate dashboard for successful tracking on the newly updated links. Regularly review and repeat this process to maintain accurate tracking for your affiliate links. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.